welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I made an order recently to get a bunch of Lolita stuff from Devil Inspired, and it came in the mail today. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing, although it's not really a box, so it's an unbagging, I guess. But that's what we're going to do today. And I'm so excited to see all the goodies that I got. Let's get started. And now, woohoo! All right, so let's see here. What's this first thing that we've got? Ooh, okay. I think this is maybe my blouse that I ordered. It is indeed the blouse that I ordered. Very nice. Oh, it's so cute. So the blouse that I originally wanted to get ended up being sold out after I had put in my order, so they told me to basically choose something else. So I went with this little thing, and this is really cute. I like it. All right, now, oh, so cute. Okay, let's see here. So, oh my God, you're so cute. I'm a bunny girl. I'm a bunny girl. It's not sitting right with the hair accessories I have on right now, but it's so cute. Look at it. It has a little charm that says princess on it, and it's got cute little lace things that have little hearts on them. And it has a strawberry on the bow. Look at that. It's so cute. I love it. Next up, we have some red gingham with some strawberry motifs. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is a multi-pack. Okay. So we have here, oh, these look like the wrist cuffs that I got. Let's see. Open that up. I got these cute little wrist cuffs. Look at that. So I'm having a lot of strawberry motifs with this cord, and let's try this on. Is this how it goes? Or is it the other way? No, I think it's this way. Okay. With the bunny ears. I feel very cute. All right, so I have, oh, go back, hair. Whew. All right, to match these, I have, what's this here? I think this is my other headdress that I got. Look at this. It's so cute. Look at it. Oh, wow. There's little pine cones, and there's like flowers and some more strawberry motifs. I love it. I love it. Ah. Again, hair, stay behind my head. All right. I'm gonna have to do a full try on of this afterwards. Next up, this looks like the bag that I got. Why are you not open? Okay, I guess scissors, let's go. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's a cute little bag, and it's a strawberry. All right, so let's take out the stuffing. Oh, they even have the option for a chain. Very nice. nice, very nice. So you can switch out the pearls for a gold chain. Excellent. Although I do like the pearls, so I think I'll keep those on right now. Okay, garbage on this side. Garbage. Okay, what is, oh. What's this? What is this? This is weird. What is this? It's a Ziploc. Oh. Oh, these are socks. Little lace socks. Cute, 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 cute. Awesome. My little lace socks. All right, and now the final piece. This is the part that I'm most excited about. All right, I can see that these straps would go in the back with some buttons, so I'm gonna do those up right now. There's some loose threads that I should cut off. Come on, cat. Okie dokie, so second strap, let's go. And here we are. It's so cute. It has bunnies and it has strawberries, which is why I have the strawberry bunny motif with my other accessories. And it is cute and adorable, and I'm gonna have to try this on. So let's go ahead and so this is the final look. I decided to put the bunny ear headdress on because bunnies, and it's super cute, and I really love it. This is like the first time I've ever bought Lolita, so this is really exciting. It's something that I've never done before, and I am in love with this look. Now I just need to get myself a wig. Although I find that my hair does suit this quite nicely, especially if I put it in the pigtails like this, and then I have my hime bangs like so. Very cute. So happy with this. I was so excited when this order was like, it is shipped, and I was like, oh, I wonder when I'm gonna get it. And then less than a week later, I get my order. Yay! My little strawberries make noise when I bang them together. But yeah, I love it. It's super cute. So I hope this video was a little bit interesting for you guys. I know that this is definitely something that I don't do very often, and I'm thinking that maybe when I do an order for cosplays or something that I might do an unboxing of that as well. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!